Good day everyone, welcome to Blockcoin. This is a derivatives tutorial. As you can see, I'm on the derivative page here on Blockcoin. I'm just going to call it leverage from now on because that is what the whole world calls it. Okay, so basically you will select your trading pair here. I will just keep it at BTC USDT for now. Here is your current BTC price, the 24-hour change, your 24-hour high and your 24-hour low. All right, this is your basic trading view screen over here, your trading view charts. Okay, you can find all your tools and widgets here that you currently use. I basically only make use of trend lines. Let's just pop in a trend line over there. I'm using the 5-minute chart as well. You can navigate through the different time frames over here. Okay, so basically it broke down to the trend here, it retested, and it looks like Bitcoin is going to go down. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you've got all your tools here. Let me just pop in this square box over here, indicate resistance, and then you'll have your support over here. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a short. So I'm going to select short over here. I'm going to put in 10%, 11% of my 460 USDT that I have, or 422. That's the value over there, is the value of my position at a 10x leverage. All right, you also check your risk. I will go from here to there. It is a 0.4% risk. So at a 10x leverage, I'm going to be risking 4%. Okay, so then what you can do is you can add take profit and stop loss. I will say expected P&L on the stop loss. I would say 4%, and confirm. I'll edit the take profit shortly, and I will open the short. All right, your position will show you at the bottom. All right, I'm gonna just go and check here. This is also a powerful tool that you can use. I'm going to put my TP at 65,980. So if you want to edit your position after you've opened your position, or you forgot to put in stop loss or whatever, you come here down to the info button. There you get the info of your trade. Close that. You go to edit your trade. All right, take profit, stop loss. You click on this little pencil over here, and you're going to see, now I forgot what the price is. I'm just going to confirm that again, 65,980. Okay, let me just edit it over here. Take profit, I can put in the price there, 65,980. All right, my expected profit will be $5.25. It's not much, it's just for the sake of the tutorial. And you click confirm, edit, and there you go. As you can see, it's busy going up now again. You can obviously also add to your positions. So once you have an open position, you can say, okay, I want to add a bit more. Let's add 15% more, and then I can just short again, and it will then update your transaction or your open trade here. Sorry, I switched between screens. It opened between, if you go here, you'll see now that my margin is now $101 and not just 46 like it was previously. Okay, there is basically all your trades. Here's a position ID, the contract, you're gonna short, leverage 10x, the quantity is 0.152 Bitcoin, the value is 1,015 USDT. The margin that I used from my portfolio is 101 USDT. The trade executions is price is 66,800 where I open the trade. The start ask price, the start bid price. All right, the current P&L, total P&L, my take profit is at 65,980. My stop loss is at 67,146, and then the timestamps. All right, so that is basically that. Yeah, if you run out of funds, you can deposit USDT again or whatever the case is. But yeah, on the other side, it's exactly the same for longing. If you say, okay, no shucks, this is not going to work, you can just click here and you can close your position entirely. If your conviction changes of the trade, you can then obviously open a long. You can even open a long position now as well. Then you can hedge your own trade. Okay, that was market execution. Here's limit execution. Okay, if you would like to say, okay, I don't want to open the position right here where it is now. I want to wait for it to at least come to my resistance over here before I open the next short. You can see, okay, that price is 67067. Okay, so then I can pop in there 67067, and I am going to say I want to put in 11% of my portfolio, and I would like to use 10x leverage as well. Then I can take profit and everything as well. Also, I'm not going to do it just for the sake of the tutorial. I can say open a long. All right, and then it will open. It will show you your open orders are over here. Something went wrong. I didn't open the order. Let me quickly just have a look here. Why it didn't do it. Order is open. Order is completed. Okay, so it should show up over here. I don't know why it's not showing it open over here. I'll have a look into that. Okay, but okay, because I had a position open already, it just changed the position that I currently have open, and Bob's your uncle, it already hit that price. That was what's going on there. So yeah, basically that leverage is a very powerful tool that you can use to make a lot of money, but it's also a very powerful tool to blow your account. As I was explaining earlier, if you calculate your risk, if you take it from where it is now to where I put my stop loss initially, that is only a 0.4% move. But as I mentioned, if you take a 10x position, that multiplies this by 10. So you will then have a 4% risk instead of a 0.4% risk. All right. But if the trade works out for you, you're going to make 10% more money on your trades. At Blockcoin, we have on all our trading pairs a 15x leverage. So you can, if you've got $1,000 in your account, you can 15x that $1,000 and trade with $15,000 in one position. You will then lose your money quicker if the trade goes against your favor, but if it goes in your favor, you will gain so much more money, 15% more than what you would have made on a normal spot fee. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. If there's any other questions, you guys can pop it in the comments and we will get back to you guys and maybe do a video on what you guys were asking. All right, thanks guys, have a good day.